Today, we're going to create a 3D windmill from scratch, texture it, and import it into Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, we head into Maya to model our windmill. We start with basic shapes, refining them step by step, adding the base, tower, blades, and details. After final adjustments, we have our complete 3D windmill model, ready for texturing. Next, we take our model into Substance Painter for texture painting. Here, we apply realistic wood and metal textures to bring the windmill to life. The blades get a weathered metal look, while the base gets a rustic wooden finish. Once texturing is done, we export our windmill as an FBX file. This format works perfectly for Roblox Studio. In Roblox Studio, we go to the Asset Manager, click Import, and select our Windmill FBX file. Remember to import textures also. Once imported, drag the model into your workspace. Apply textures to meshes. Now, to keep the windmill parts together, select them all and press Command+G on Mac or Control+G on Windows to group them. Then, check the anchor box so the windmill stays in place during gameplay. Finally, use the scale tool to adjust the windmill size so it fits your game environment perfectly. And that's it. We've modeled, textured, and imported our windmill into Roblox Studio. Now it's ready for your players to enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you on next video.